Hi there, my name's Alexandra Curry, or Allie for short. So during the DICE experiment, or the DICE project that we've been working on, our task was to build the HTML and CSS and JavaScript code to make a part of a website that would roll these two dice for player 1 and player 2 and decide, oh, player 1 got a 6, player 2 got a 3, player 1 wins, or they both get a 3, it's a draw, etc. And you were supposed to make it so that your dice start on 6, and then when you refresh the page, as it says refresh me up here, then it will kind of give you whatever they rolled. So this is just an example of my code running. So we got a draw, we got a player 1 wins, got player 1 wins again, and player 2 wins. But you can see it goes back and forth over and over again. So my code does work and run efficiently. Looking at the actual code, so the style, the cascading style sheet, I didn't actually do anything to change it. All I really did was like move the curly brackets onto different lines, just to make it look a little bit cleaner. So I didn't mess with that one at all. For the HTML, I had a little bit of trouble originally trying to make it stay with the 6 die on the original landing page, and I worked pretty hard a few different ways to try and figure out how I could make that work. One of those ways being I had before unload, like the add event listener in here, and then another way was I tried the load for the add event listener. These were just kind of me trying to be precautionary about how it was going to load and if it was going to refresh and roll, but I actually figured out that I could just put in the body section on load, check for a refresh. That way it'll roll the dice, but it will keep this original picture up on the landing page. So I didn't want to take out these add event listeners in case I needed them. Obviously I don't, but I do have them commented out so that they don't mess with my actual code. Down here, I was having a little bit of trouble with the Java in the actual JavaScript section. Oh, I never changed that number when I changed it earlier. But I was having a little bit of trouble with the actual JavaScript file, so I ended up putting my like file information in the HTML. Some of it's a little different in the actual HTML file because I actually formatted it properly. But on top of that, I didn't have a lot of trouble other than making sure that it refreshed, and that was the only time that it re-rolled the dice from 6. So other than that, I felt like it was a pretty simplistic task. Thank you so much.